Okay, so if you happen to have a leaf blower that doesn't have a shoulder strap, here's an easy way to make one of your own. I happen to have a dog leash spare that I use. Uh, Generally, if you use the leaf blower and if it doesn't have a shoulder strap, then your arms could hurt um, after prolonged use of the leaf blower. So here's how you do it. Put the handle side of the leash towards something like this. If you have one, this is Toro make, and then the other end, try to bye. Good boy. Sit. Thanks. Off. Use the clip to lock it like this so it doesn't come out. And this can then go on your shoulder, nice and easy, and then your arms won't hurt anymore.